Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Bitmart and transfer it to your Kraken account in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges or diversify your holdings, this guide will walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and secure. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Kraken, and that you have some Bitcoin sitting in your Bitmart wallet. Oh, and always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select your Bitcoin wallet. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button for Bitcoin. Before you proceed, you'll need the exact deposit address from Kraken. So, hop over to your Kraken account, go to the Deposit section, select Bitcoin, and copy the provided wallet address. Double-check that it's for the Bitcoin network to avoid any errors. Back on Bitmart, paste that Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, but remember to subtract any network fees to ensure you get what you expect. Step 3. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and any additional notes. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and verify the transaction through your email or 2FA prompt. Step 4. Sit tight. Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status on Bitmart. Once it's confirmed, log back into Kraken and check your wallet to see the Bitcoin arrive. Pro tip. Start with a small test transfer if you're new to this to avoid any mishaps, and always monitor for fees or potential risks like market volatility. There you have it. That's how you smoothly withdraw Bitcoin from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.